What is up, YouTube, man? Back at it with the weekly uploads, you know what I'm saying? Trying to be more consistent, trying to be locked in as well as locked in on this prep. But yeah, I'm glad you guys showed love on the last video, man. I really appreciate it. But yeah, pretty much all we got today is a shoulder focus push day. So pretty much all that entails is just the the front side delt. I gotta look back on the program that my coach sent me, but pretty much it's a shoulder focus push day, and I'm pretty sure some triceps in the mix as well. So it's gonna be a good day, gonna be a good lift, gonna be a sick ass pump, which you guys will see later in the vid. But yeah, really not much to it. Gonna add some more talking throughout the videos, you know, during the lifts, and not just straight music montage. Trying to switch it up a little bit more. So yeah, but I'm about to go eat this pre-workout meal. As you guys know, my 70 grams of Cheerios and milk, and yeah, slam my pre, take my subs, and then yeah, just fucking get at it. Thankfully today though, it's not a cardio day. Yesterday I had cardio, which was 20 minutes of Stairmaster, so I have that 3 times a week. So I got cardio tomorrow, but today, Friday, it's gonna be a good day. No cardio, just training, you know, training with a purpose and just taking everything, you know, 100% of the way. So on my 3rd liter of the day, it's almost 6, so I'm kind of behind a little bit, but I'm sure I can get the rest in. I'm sure I can get this liter down, as well as a 4th one during the workout. So yeah, new pre just came in today. Wrecked Inferno. Not sponsored. So yeah, if you guys want to get yourself, I fuck with this pre heavy, honestly. I really do. So tastes pretty good, works pretty well. The thermogenic effects, super good. So huge. I need my fucking code. I need my code, bro. But yeah, pretty much it. We're just gonna get into the lift, and I'll see you guys in the gym.
You can hit it right now if you want.
Zero RAR. That is boxing.
To the cold of the static, put my cold feet on the floor. God, I'm out yesterday. Remembering, I'm pretending to be where I'm not anymore. A little taste of hypocrisy, and I'm left in the wake of the mistakes, slow to react. Even though you're so close to me, you're still so distant, and I can't bring you back. It's true, the way I feel was promised by your face. The sound of your voice painted on my memories. Even if you're not with me, I'm with you. Now I see, keeping everything inside. You, now I see, even when I close my eyes. You, when you hit me back, we fall to the floor. The rest of the day stands still. Fine line between this and that. When things go wrong, I pretend that the past isn't real. I'm trapped in this memory, and I'm left in the wake of the mistakes, slow to react.